I'm gonna talk to you. Okay. 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 So normally you can see my screen, right, Nikki? Okay. So Georgina, the ones that we suggested were Argos, Data Steward Wizard, Stewardship Wizard, and dmptool.org. Did you try to connect to one of them?
I didn't with Andrea, but I don't remember because I think that she connect to the third one, I think.
This
I
one.
have to check. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think maybe she sent it to me, but I have somewhere an overview. But okay, we'll check that later. But I think for me the main positive sides of these platforms were that Argos is cloud based, so you don't need to host it yourself, and that you can put it in Spanish. For the
Okay.
data stewardship wizard, hosting is needed, but I didn't write that here, but it's very machine actionable. I need to add that. For that was for me the main positive point here. And then you have dmptool.org. That's cloud based. That's very easy. You don't need to do anything, and it's a platform from the USA. Now here are the results of that paper. And as you can see, the best one that came out was Data Stewardship Wizard. The second one was dmptool.org, and the fifth one was Argos. So I think the ones we suggest are good because they came out at a good total score. You see those two here, and user friendliness also high. Technical aspects, Argos is very close to the two other ones. And then the basic functions, data stewardship wizard was very high. So the data stewardship wizard also has like a compare tool with DMP tool and Argos and two other ones. But of course, they give all green marks to them. And then you can see a little bit the difference. So I think that was also very interesting to look at. If you want to see it more like bigger, you go to this link and you can look and read it for yourself. So that are these. And then I was planning to give a demo of this one. And I wanted to know which one, who could reach it. But I need to research one. Wait, I need to research. DS Wizard research link. This one. So what I really like about this platform is that the projects you created here, but I already create one, and you can choose from templates like a European one, the one that the most of you preferred, or you can use a knowledge model. And then by the projects, I made a test one. I think, which one was the test one? 2 days ago, 1 day ago. This one. No, that's not the one. So let's see. Yeah, he wants to join. So you see then that you have all these questions over here. Reusing data, is it pre-existing data? And you get some more guidance and info. So that's what I mean with machine actionable, but I want to give an example where it gives like more questions. Yeah, for example, by contributors, when you add it, you see you get more fields to fill in. But I also had one where it asks for if you use ethical data, reusing data. Wait, was it maybe here with the pre-existing data? Yes. Need guidance. Wait, I'm gonna look in my papers. There was one where they ask for if it's ethical by research projects 1.2, and then the sub projects. And there was one question if there was ethical approval. And when you put yes here, then you see that you need to add more info. So this is what I really like about the platform. You have some metrics here, documents that you can add. If you go to the dashboard, by the projects, you can even search. You can here project tags, knowledge, and you can even search for public DMPs. So if you see, you have a lot of public DMPs where you can take a look at and do some inspiration on. You have a storage cost evaluator. You can, but this is based on the Dutch knowledge. So it's not the same as for your countries, but I thought it was interesting that it was in there. Let me see, go back here, projects. If I go back to mine, let's search maybe, but there I was. When I go back to my projects dashboard, then you also see that you can add to-dos on your question or some comments, and only for the editor some comments. You can give feedback about the tool, and they also keep a version history. You can change the language. In the beginning that was in Dutch, so I changed it to English. I think this was quickly explained. I was planning to explain it like more advanced, but I will do that another time when more people will join. Do you have any questions for the moment, Georgina? Oh, your speaker is not on.
Yes, I have one question. This is an open access, let's say, platform, right?
Yes.
So then, so it's like works like for my project, or is that you can create, I don't know, like a special space for the projects of the whole university?
Yes, I think so. And you can even create your own template here that I forgot to mention. So you saw that we're using templates that already exist, but in this program or platform or tool, you can create your own templates.
Okay.
So, for example, if your template doesn't exist yet, because this is from the Netherlands, they use a lot of European and Dutch or Belgian templates, but then you can create your own.
Yeah, that was my question. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so that was it. So I think you can stop the recording, Mark. Mark, can you hear me? We'll just stop the Jitsi. I guess the recording will stop. Good, Nikki. Georgina, goodbye. See you soon. Thank you for joining. And
right.
See you tomorrow, Nikki.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.